Good morning to all of you. How are you? I hope all of you have a fit, fine, and at your home. Today have to continue our previous chapter, and the name of the previous chapter is Birth, which was written by A.J. Cronin. And we have seen that how how Joe Morgan had planned his trip to the Andrew Mansion. Who is this Andrew Mansion? Andrew Mansion was a medical practitioner who had recently completed his MBBS, who had recently completed his medical course, who had recently completed his medical course, and he was an assistant in the mining town. But when Andrew Mansion had reached his home, he found that Joe Morgan was standing there, and he was waiting for Andrew Mansion so that he may take Andrew Mansion and he can take the help of Andrew Mansion for the delivery of his wife. And after that they started. After that, Andrew Mansion and Joe Morgan, both of them went to the Joe Morgan's house. And where is Joe Morgan house? Joe Morgan house was at number 12, number 12, Blena Terrace. Was at number 12, Blena Terrace. And when Andrew mentioned had reached Joe Morgan's house, there Mrs. Morgan's mother was sitting there, and she had prepared a tea for Andrew mentioned. And after that, Andrew mentioned had realized that if he will went back to his home, then he will not able to come back because he was very much tired. So he decided that he will stay here only because Mrs. Joe Morgan had not reached to that stage that his delivery should be conducted. So there was some time. So he decided to wait for that particular time. And now let's continue our chapter. His thoughts, Miss, and you mentioned thoughts were heavy, muddled. Miss, his thoughts were heavy, muddled. What muddled means? Any muddled means not arranged in a correct manner, not arranged in a order or untidy. And you mentioned thoughts were heavy, muddled. Muddled means not arranged in a order or we can say that untidy. The episode he had witnessed at Cardiff station still obsessed his morbidity. The episode he had witnessed at the Cardiff station was still obsessed. Obsessed means to completely fill our mind so that you should think it properly. Okay. The episode he had witnessed at Cardiff station still obsessed his morbidity. Morbidity means in an abnormal manner. Morbidity means in an abnormal manner. Okay. Morbidity means in an abnormal manner. Okay. The episode he had witnessed at Cardiff station still obsessed means to completely fill your thoughts with an abnormal manner. Means his thoughts were not arranged in a correct manner. He thought of Bramwell foolishly devoted to a woman who deceived him sordidly. What is for sordidly means? Selfish. Sordidly means selfish. He thought of Bramwell. He thought of Bramwell foolishly devoted to a woman who deceived his sordidly, who deceived his because he was because of selfishness of Edward Page, bound to the Swiss Loudon of Denny, living unhappily. Apart from his wife, his reason told him that all these marriages were dismal failures. Now, Andrew Mason had got some time to think about other persons also because he noticed that there was some time for the delivery of Mrs. Joe Morgan's. So he started thinking about Bramwell. Then he started thinking how Bloodwen of Denny living unhappily means he started thinking about the other person also whose marriage has been spoiled. It was a conclusion which, in his present state, made him wince. It was a conclusion means he was thinking all these things, and the conclusion of all these things is that in his present state he was wince. Wince means the movement of a body due to pain. Movement of a body due to pain. Okay. The conclusion here, Ajay Crowley means to say that because he had got some time to think about the failures of the marriage of other persons, because his mood was not good, because his girlfriend Christine was not given her consent, and they had not a very good relation. That's why Andrew mentioned mood was not good on that day, and when he came back to his home, he found that Joe Morgan was waiting for him. And because doctor had got the such noble professions that they have to help in every situations. 24 hours they have to be available to every person. That's why the moment Joe Morgan said that his wife after 20 years is going to give birth a child, then Andrew mentioned had gone inside, and he had brought his bag with all the necessary things related to the doctor. And when he went back to the Joe Margo's house, and then he noticed that there is some time for the delivery, then he started thinking about the failures, about the marriage, about the Bramwell, and Ed- of Edward Page. All these things he had started thinking that why their marriage has came to a failure, and the moment he started thinking of all these things, he came to a conclusion that these things had no any importance, and the conclusion is that in his present state, Andrew mentioned was Vince. Andrew mentioned was in a moment of a body pain. Means to say that he had realized that thinking of all these things is of no use, but he realized that because he had not taken sufficient rest, his body was paining. This this was the conclusion which he concluded himself, that he is not in a good state because his body was paining. He wished to consider marriage as an idyllic state. What this idyllic state means? It He wished to consider marriage as an idyllic state. Okay. According to Andrew mentioned, he thought that marriage is a idyllic state. Marriage is an extremely happy state. As a marriage is a very happy journey. Marriage is considered as an holy journey. He wished, means Andrew mentioned wished to consider marriage. He considered marriage as an extremely happy state, as an idyllic state. Yes, he could not otherwise consider it with the image of Christine before him. He could not otherwise, means he could not otherwise consider it. He wished to consider marriage as an idyllic state. Yes, he could not otherwise consider it with the image of Christine before him, because he liked Christine. That's why he's thinking all these things. Her eyes shining towards him. Now She now here Andrew mention is picturizing Christine that her eyes was shining towards him, means always her eyes shine towards him, admitted no other conclusion, and no other conclusion he accepted it. It was the conflict between his level, and now he realizes that there was some conflict, there was some contradiction from his level, from his side, doubting mind and his overflowing heart, which left him resentful and confused. It was a conflict from his side and doubting mind, and there was some confusion in his mind and his overflowing heart, and because of his extraordinary emotions of his heart which left him confused. He let his chin sink upon his chest. He let his chin. Chin means this, the lower part of your head is this chin. He let his chin sink upon his chest. Means he had made his head like this. Means touching the chin towards his chest like this. He let his chin sink upon his chest. Sink upon his chest means touching the chin to his chest. He stretched out his legs, and he stretched out means straightening away his legs, stretched out his legs, stared broodingly into the fire. What this word broodingly means? Actually, this means deep painful thought, deep broodingly into the fire. Means the thought which is full of pain. Or let me write it. Broodingly means painful thought. He was making his face like this, touching the chin to his chest, and he was thinking about the painful thought. He was thinking, painful thought means because he was thinking about Christine, because of her, he was not in a good state. He was very much upset. That's why it was said that he was in a broodingly state. He was in a painful thought state. He remained like this so long. He remained like this means he was in the such state for the long time, and his thoughts were so filled with Christine, and his thought and his imagination, his thoughts were full of Christine, that he started when the old woman opposite suddenly addressed him. And because he had got some time, because of which, because of this thing, he had got the time. Because there was some time about of the delivery of Joe Morgan's wife. That's why he was thinking all these things about the failure of the marriage, about the Christine, all these things he was thinking. And the woman, the old lady who was sitting opposite to him, that was Mrs. Morgan's mother. He started that old woman suddenly addressed him. That Mrs. Morgan's mother addressed him. And the moment that old lady addressed him, his attention was gone. His actually he was thinking something, and the moment that old lady called him, his imagination came to a came back to his reality in the sense that he was back to the Joe Morgan's house because he had got some time and he was thinking about all these things, Christian love, marriage, and all failure of the marriage. And the moment the old lady, Mrs. Morgan's mother, called him, he came back to his original state. Means now he he came back to his normal state. Her meditation had pursued a different course. Susan said not to give her the chloroform if it would harm the lady and the baby too. Susan said not to give her the chloroform. Chloroform is actually a type of liquid type of, we consider chemical type. The moment that chloroforms is touched near the nose, that person becomes faint enough. That person become unconscious, or sometimes they fall down because the whole mind become silent enough. And this type of chloroform had been, we have seen that the dentist always they use in their clinic in order to treat, in order to give the treatment to the teeth, because the moment the chloroform is used, that teeth pain had always gone. Means the, suppose that doctor had to take out that teeth from that particular place. The moment that doctor used that chloroform at that particular place, there, there is a time limit that the moment you will use this chloroform for 5 minutes or 10 minutes, because the doctor knows how to treat this. So according to their need, they use the chloroform, and for that particular time, that teeth pain had started going on. Means the teeth pain is decreased, and after some time again this thing come back to their original state. In the same way, here Susan said that not to give chloroform, because if the moment you will give the chloroform, the baby, Susan has said that don't give chloroform, it would provide some harm to that baby who is under the womb of Joe Morgan's wife. She is awful set upon this child. She is awful set upon this child, Dr. Batch. Her old eyes warmed at a sudden thought. She added in a low tone, we all are, I fancy. What does word fancy mean? Actually, this word fancy means the desire to achieve something. Fancy actually means desire. He collected himself with an effort. Now he started collecting all these things by giving some effort. It won't do any harm. The anesthetic, he said, kindly, they will be all right. Now he collected himself with an effort. Now he started collecting himself, means started preparing himself for an effort. It would, it won't do any harm. The anesthetic, he said, that not Dr. Andrew Mason said that the anesthetic, actually anesthetic is given in order to decrease your pain. He said that the anesthetic which is given to that lady won't do any harm, not to that lady, not to nor that child also.